Hello students, in the previous topic we have studied that what is an acid and one classification of acid we discussed. Now today we will study the another classification of an acid, that is depending on their basicity. Now what is this basicity? Basicity means the number of hydronium ion. Basicity is the number of hydronium ion that can be produced by the ionization of one molecule, of that acid in the aqueous solution. So what happened now here? We will understand this definition with this example. This HCl is containing a hydrogen atom. So when it is added into a water, so this is forming, so due to the presence of the water, this will ionized into a H positive and Cl negative ion. So this H positive will not exist independently, so it will combine with this water molecule and here this will form hydronium ion. So in this compound, so this HCl is forming only one hydronium ion or producing only one hydronium ion. So the basicity of HCl is 1. So basicity of HCl is 1. So what is the basicity now? The number of hydronium ion. So when we ionize this HCl into a water, it produces a one molecule of that acid. Means this is forming only one ion. One hydronium ion is formed here. So the basicity of HCl is 1. Now the next one is, and those compound have basicity 1, that is called a monobasic. Next one is a dibasic. So what is dibasic? Dibasic means on ionization in water, the compound will forming a 2 hydronium ion. Di means 2. So when compound is forming a 2 hydronium ion, then the compound is called a dibasic. So if we take the example of H2SO4, so in H2SO4 2 hydrogen are present, so they will form 2 hydronium ion, but dibasic acid ionized into 2 steps. So this compound will ionize into 2 steps. So the first step will be this H2SO4 we will take. Now it dissolving into a water. So this will form first step by step, means one ionized from this 2 hydrogen. First one ionized hydrogen will be ionized and forming HSO4 negative. Then this HSO4 negative ionized again with water and forming hydronium ion and sulfate ion. So here the ionization is taking place in 2 steps. So this is the one hydronium ion and this is the second hydronium ion. So in H2SO4 2 hydronium ion are formed, so that's why it is a dibasic. One question arises that acetic acid contain a 4 hydrogen atom. Acetic acid contain 4 hydrogen atom. So acetic acid formula is CH3COOH. If we condense this formula, so the formula will become how many carbon? 2. So C2, total hydrogen atom is 4 and oxygen atom is 2. So if we see this chemical formula of acetic acid, so it contains a 4 hydrogen atom, but it is monobasic. Acetic acid is a monobasic. Why? So the reason is that it produced when this acetic acid is dissolved into a water, so only one hydronium ion ionized, only one hydrogen atom is ionized. So only this hydrogen atom will ionized. These three hydrogen atom will not ionized because it is a hydrocarbon. So in hydrocarbon, carbon and hydrogen is combined. So this CH3 is playing the role of hydrocarbon. So this hydrogen are not ionized, and only this one hydrogen atom will ionize and forming here one hydronium ion, and this will come out in the form of a molecule, that is acetate ion. So this is a acetate ion, and here there is a formation of only one hydronium ion. So that's why acetic acid is called a monobasic. Now the next question arises that phosphorus H3PO3, this is phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid is a dibasic acid. If we make the structure of phosphorus acid, so the structure will in this way: phosphorus with double bond oxygen, then phosphorus HO, OH and H. So if we see the structure of phosphorus, phosphorus valency is 5. Phosphorus valency is 5 now. So if we replace this hydrogen, so the phosphorus valency will not affect because phosphorus is directly combining with oxygen. If we replace this hydrogen, so the phosphorus valency will not affect. So in this atom OH, if we replace hydrogen, then again phosphorus valency will not affect because phosphorus is directly attached with the oxygen. But if we replace this hydrogen, then phosphorus valency will be affect and it will not become a stable. So this hydrogen is not replaceable. So in this phosphorus acid, only 2 hydrogen are replaceable. That's why it is called a dibasic acid. So these two will be ionized, but this hydrogen will not ionized, because the replaceable of this hydrogen will affect the valency of a phosphorus or the stability of a phosphorus. That's why there are only 2 replaceable hydrogen atom. So that's why phosphorus is a dibasic acid.